You can find our Knowledge Tournament under Events and Knowledge Tournament. It's designed to make events more engaging or to test participants' knowledge. Participants are asked questions and receive points for correct answers. Bonus points are given to those who answer quickly. The correct solutions are immediately displayed and participants can see who is leading after each question. Unlike our quiz, the tournament is a direct live comparison, while the quiz can be used asynchronously and indirectly. Let's click on the Create button and give the tournament a name. I'll name it Assembly Tournament for now. You can click on Create to start a new empty game or enable a demo checkbox to create a tournament with demo data. In the latter case, you can modify or supplement the copied questions as needed. Now let's edit a question and add one to demonstrate the functionality briefly. I click on the Edit symbol and the question unfolds. Which river is the longest in the world? I've added a subtitle and an image and can choose between a column chart or a bar chart. I've set a time limit and the point value. A quick note about the time limit. After 15 seconds, the question will be definitely closed and no one can answer. The point value is the base score, with up to 20% extra points available depending on the speed of the response. Let's create a new question. I click on Add Question. Here the question unfolds again. I type my question, what does the chemical abbreviation Fe mean? I'll stick with the column chart here, set the time limit to 30 seconds and provide answer options. Then I specify which answer is correct. Finally, I can change the order here and save it. Currently my question, what does the chemical abbreviation Fe mean, is at the bottom. Using drag and drop, I can move it up and save the new order. On the left side, there is a menu. I can assign surveys for participants to fill in after the event. I activate the desired survey. I can also assign event information such as a sample solution. This is useful when participants need to know the knowledge from the tournament and it's not just for fun. I can adjust settings such as the name of my tournament, which image and text will be displayed to the participants on their devices. But that's enough theory. Let's start our session either via Start Session or when I'm in the tournament overview by clicking the arrow symbol. I assign a room name and start the game. As the moderator, on the left side of my screen I see the first question. Participants on the right side need to log in. Participants can do this using a link. I click on the sharing symbol, copy the link to the clipboard or send it via email. Or you can use a QR code for on-site events. Display the code on the screen and participants can scan it to log in. Alternatively, if, like me, you have the TEDME page open on the right side, you can simply enter the room name. After logging in, participants need to choose a name, avatar and color. I choose a name, pick my color and save. As a participant, I now see the text that I previously set in the settings. As a moderator, I start the tournament with the button Start Voting. I, as a participant, see the question. I select my answer and click Send Answer. I can see how many participants have voted and what they voted for. As a moderator, I click Continue, and participants and I see the current point score after the first question. The number of points depends on how quickly participants voted. In the background, I have a couple of other participants who are voting as well. Jane was the fastest and, therefore, has the most points. I click Continue and it shows the next question with answer options on the right side. I still have a few seconds. As a moderator, I can possibly see my participants physically, and when everyone has finished, I can prematurely end the question. The answers are displayed again, and each participant can see how many points they've received. If I click Continue again, the results are displayed. Who is leading with how many points? This way I can easily go through my remaining questions. This time I intentionally select something incorrect. I won't play through all the questions, but I'll end the session now and we'll check out the results in the evaluations. Click on Evaluations and look at the tournament data. I click on the PDF report and see who participated, what rankings there were, how many points, and so on. It shows the individual questions and the answers given, allowing me to view and export the details of my tournament. Enjoy experimenting with it.